Good afternoon, you guys. We are here at 2425 Okatie Lane out in Cantonment, Florida, and this is a stunning day here in the Carrington subdivision. So starting on the exterior, you do get this gorgeous yard space as well as this 3-car garage. This is a 2022 build, so let's take you guys inside. In this home, you're going to get just over 3,200 square feet, as well as 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So the owners did enclose a room upstairs to give you that 5th bedroom. So that is a really great feature that most of the other homes this model do not have. So here we are upon entry. We walk through the foyer, and you're going to be greeted by the living room to kitchen to dining room. So it's a nice open floor plan. Stunning windows that really just bring in all the light, as well as this lighter color luxury vinyl flooring. I think it just complements this house entirely, as well as the paint color. It just looks really clean and crisp in here. So before we head in there, I'm going to actually take you guys to the right here. And we're going to have our first 2 bedrooms and our first full bathroom. So bedroom number 1, you've got a nice little window there, as well as a double-doored closet. Most of the bedrooms, except for the master, are going to have this double door here for the closet. So you get nice space, and you're not having to worry about those pull accordion closet doors that kind of just get stuck on this carpet. So all bathrooms are going to be carpeted, all bedrooms are going to be carpeted, but bathrooms are going to be either that luxury vinyl flooring or they're going to be tiled. So here we are in bedroom number 2. You get a double window here, which really brings in that gorgeous light. And then there we are with that same closet layout. So you do have the wire inserts there. And again, carpeted floorings in the bedrooms. And then this is our first bathroom of the home. So window here, and then you get some nice vanity lighting. It's a single vanity with those quartz countertops and stainless steel appliques. Gorgeous. And then your tub is going to be a tub shower duo, really sleek built in with storage on the walls as well as that handle. Also really do like this bathroom color too. I think it's beautiful. All right, so coming on through here, back to the main living quarter. So this kitchen is phenomenal, and we'll definitely touch on this more momentarily, but I did want to give you guys a nice little view here. You are going to get stainless steel appliances throughout. As you can see, we've got a decorative backsplash that is going to be stonework there, so pull it up close. That's such a beautiful backsplash, little accent. Your microwave's going to be a built-in with that vent hood, and then you do have an electric smooth top surface stove and oven. And then flipping sides on this extra large island, it is going to be a undermounted sink with the detachable hose. And then there is your dishwasher. Same stainless steel appliques as well on all the drawers. Really nice. And then this is going to be the Samsung double door fridge and double door freezer. As you can see, the grips are hidden and you can access from the top or the bottom. So super convenient, really nice space here. Beautiful. All right, before we venture towards the left side of the house, I do want to take you guys through the master bedroom, which is going to be just off to the right here. So extra storage closet before you get into the master right there. So that's nice if you want linens or blankets for the living room, whatever you see fit. But here we go in the master. Again, carpeted flooring in here. You do have gorgeous tray ceilings right there. So pretty, just opens up the room even more. Those double windows. And then we're gonna come in to the master bathroom. So this one is going to be double vanity there, large mirror, double vanity lighting. So pretty with those quartz countertops. They're the same throughout, so you really do get a uniform look. And then this right here I think is amazing. You've got a separate shower, walk-in shower, and you have this gorgeous, gorgeous garden tub. So really large stainless steel faucet head there. It is tiled to make for easy cleanup. And then that frosted window is just beautiful. So you still get that natural light feel through here, but also you get your privacy as well. Here is gonna be your shower. So stunning. You do have the built-in insert there for shower storage. Again, so beautiful. And then you get a separate water closet. So it does have a door so you can enclose from the rest of the bathroom. So this master bathroom really does have it all. And then the closet, I think, is one of the great parts as well, because this is all wood built-ins and steel posts. So metal posts right there. So no wire shelving or plastic shelving. This is all wood and metal built-ins. And then here behind you do get some taller hanging. So yes, this is gonna actually be tiled floor as well. Believe it or not, this is tiled floor in your master bathroom. So beautiful in here. Definitely one of the main selling points. I love that room. Alrighty, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and go through the kitchen here. So we didn't touch really on it too much, but now let's go ahead and show you guys your pantry storage, because you definitely do get a good amount. So back to the wire shelving in here. This is the double door side of your pantry. And then if we just turn around, you have a door on this side as well. That's gonna be wood shelves. So plenty of space for storage of any kind, food storage, beverage storage. You can definitely get creative. Here is going to be your laundry room. So I really do like that it's completely across the house from your master, and it's just far enough off the living room to not be bothersome. So no laundry noises while you're trying to enjoy or entertain. So that's where your hookups are going to be. And then through this door is actually going to be your access to the 3-car garage. So there we are. Very nice garage. There's your breaker box. And yes. All right. So I've showed you guys 3 out of the 5 bedrooms. Let's go ahead and show you bedroom number 4. So you get all the windows in this room. You get 2 together on the far wall, and then you get 2 separated on this adjacent wall here. So beautiful. All the light. We love it. This bathroom is going to be a single vanity, but as you can tell, what differs from the first full bathroom is you do have more space on that vanity. So still a very spacious single vanity. And this one is going to go back to the shower tub duo. So there's your shower head, and you will get a tub in this bathroom. Same built in as bathroom number 1 that we showed. You've got a in-bathroom linen closet for nice storage in case you run out of room underneath the sink. And then you get a nice little walk-in closet here. So this one's gonna be wire shelving across the top with the wired bar, carpet in here. This is beautiful. I still love that you get a nice walk-in closet. So if you have an older child or the eldest sibling, they can definitely claim this room as theirs. Or if you are living here and maybe you have a mother living here, it could be a mother-in-law suite for sure. So definitely can get creative with that room space. Here we are at our little dining area. So this is definitely large enough to fit a standard size dining table, or you can make this more into like a breakfast nook with some benches. This space is so beautiful. I love the window light that it gets, and you get a view into the backyard as well. So nice. All right, let's head up these stairs and I will show you guys your bonus room space and the 5th bedroom that they enclosed. So this bonus space is actually a 26 by 20 space here. And I think we're all thinking the same thing, movie theater space for sure. So you can get all sorts of creative up here, whether it is a fitness area, it's an at-home office, a movie theater, a game room, a playroom for the kids. I mean, this space is just perfect, 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 perfect. Especially if you've got kids, they would love it up here. And you can kind of hide all their toys upstairs, out of sight, out of mind. All right, this is gonna be our 5th and final bedroom. 2 gorgeous windows right up next to one another. You get a space and a look into the front yard. And then you do get a single door on your closet. Really nice size standard closet. So again, this doesn't have to be a standard bedroom. It could be an at-home office if you are looking to work remote but kind of have a little bit of space away from everybody else in the house. I think that area would be absolutely perfect. And we'll take you guys downstairs and get a look into the backyard. And then we'll be wrapping it up here. All right. I love that there's centralized access to the backyard. So right in the middle of the home is going to be your door to the backyard here. Beautiful little patio space. You could put a grill out here. You could put a little couch, maybe a TV. And this is going to be your yard. So we actually do have fence quotes available. If you are interested, the owners have already gone through and gotten a fence quote. So it is there for you guys. If that's something you are interested in. And this is the view of your beautiful could-be home. Again, you guys, we are at 2425 Okatie Lane out in Cantonment, Florida in the Carrington subdivision. And we would absolutely love for you guys to come check out this amazing 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, just over 3,200 square feet. Come check it out.